This simple example shows how you can zoom into particular parts of the data. Look at the top window. We can see that the cursors can be moved to select a piece of the recorded data. That then changes the second window below to show that section. Here I'll zoom in on a part of the window where I can see that there is a minimum value which should come up with an event in this data set. As we zoom into using the cursor, we can see in the window below that it captures this dip part. I can then use the zoom tool in the bottom window to look at that part of the waveform, and there we start to see the averages. And as you can see, there's many samples as we approach there because the sampling is increased, or we've saved the samples so that we get more detailed information. And as we zoom right down into the dip, we can start to see more detail, and there we see what happened. We had a dip down to 102 volts, and then if we zoom one more time, we can then start to look at individual parts of the waveform. So one more zoom, and now we should start to see the sine wave of the voltage as it zooms in. Then we can start to see how it breaks up, and if we grab the bottom scale, we can drag that across and start to look at individual cycles, and we can see all three phases have been disrupted by something which has caused that dip that we saw previously.